A shallow magnitude 4.8 earthquake was reported early afternoon near Hanceville, Cariboo, British Columbia, Canada. According to the German Research Center for Geosciences (GFZ), the quake hit on Sunday, December 17, 2023, at 3:23 p.m. local time at a shallow depth of 6.2 miles. Shallow earthquakes are felt more strongly than deeper ones as they are closer to the surface. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report.